Good morning. There are very strong and challenging words in chapter 58 of Isaiah, verse 9. And these words are, if you remove from your midst oppression, false accusation, and malicious speech, then there's a consequence about your life. So when I live my daily life, could I say at the end of the day that I have been an instrument of removing oppression, or freeing myself from oppression, or from false accusation? So many people are under oppression, but we also know that in our circle of life, there are those who are living under oppression. We have to be sources of freeing them, or false accusation in our workplace, in our homes, in our community. How often do we have an exposure to false accusation? And so Lent is a good time to address this topic and to see how you do with it.